I am a pre-service teacher at Spring Hill College, and today I'll be telling you about a word work center that would be great for kindergarten. It is the Build a House with Sight Words, and so the students will be given different roofs that have different rhymes with them, and they'll use different sight words they have learned throughout the school year or at that certain time, and they will use different words and fit them under different whichever rhyme goes with that word. So they look for what matches. And when you're working with kindergarten, it would be smart to use bigger pieces of paper so they're not losing them or crumpling them up. And it might be smart to just give them two different roofs and let them work with those two so they're not getting confused or have too much that they're working with. And it's just a great way to get your students more hands-on and involved with the lesson and what they're learning and understand their words better than they would if they were just doing a simple worksheet. And this is all I have for today, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.